Hey everyone, Rick Fuller here, Eisenhower Coaching and Training. Huge announcement in the AI space this week with OpenAI, Sam Altman's company, launching ChatGPT 5. This is an upgrade over their edition 4. A lot of big updates with this GPT 5 edition. Here are a few of them. One is it's a lot smarter and faster. Think about GPT 4 as having a high school diploma. But think about GPT-5 as being more of a college degree, PhD, professor designation, and that's the kind of response that you're going to get. It also has a massive context window. What that means is you can upload books, podcasts, YouTube videos. It has an incredible amount of processing power to look into whatever you upload it and be able to respond immediately. It has better coding. So think about Python for those of you that are using that to create notes and contracts or review your contracts. It's a powerful tool to quickly code and unlock some of the information that you might need to draft your own mortgage notes and so forth. It's multimodal. That's a huge change. One of the previous models, you would have to go into various versions. This one, you just type in, it's almost like a Google search box, and it will then select its own GPT to launch your images. It will launch your videos. It will launch all the things that you need straight from this taskbar. Super cool. It also has custom personalities. This is something we've taught. Give it a personality. You can choose listener mode. You could choose nerd mode. You could choose an empathetic client response mode. Like you can change the mode so that the GPT-5 responds a different way. It has now a personality, and you can direct that personality. It also claims to have less hallucinations. And this was a huge challenge for many of you who are using AI, and it would just occasionally hallucinate, get off track, give you something you knew just wasn't right, and it hallucinated and has lower hallucinations. So how should a real estate agent and broker and real estate team leaders be using it? First, use it for your listing descriptions. Super easy to create great listing descriptions. Create it in various languages. Create various length of your listing descriptions. Create various types of listing description based on the different DISC personality profiles. Create client email campaigns, all from ChatGPT 5. Think about market reports. Go in there and have it create market reports for you. And in the past, you might create an annual market report, but with ChatGPT 5 and Perplexity and Google Gemini, you can actually create a monthly market report, or maybe a seasonal market report, the summer market, the fall market, the winter market, super hyper local market reports. Think about your neighborhood communities and being able to promote a market report for a condo complex or a neighborhood that you like to farm in or you sell a lot of real estate in. It can do contract review. Upload your next purchase agreement, have it create a matrix for you with all your dates and timelines that you need to keep track of. Have it sync up with Google Calendar and add those dates and timelines on your calendar. By the way, that's the next release, is a relation to Google Calendar, so that AI is now integrated into Google Calendar. Think of buyer seller guides, super easy to create white pages or ebooks, all from ChatGPT 5. And finally, think about it for all your Facebook posts, your Instagram posts. Think about it for your videos. Have it write a blog, then take the blog, make it into Facebook, make your Facebook into Instagram, your Instagram into a 30-second YouTube script, make it a short. All of this now becomes a little easier with ChatGPT 5. It's a great new addition. I'm super excited to see it. Still has a lot of the benefits that the previous ones have. The other couple of things I love about GPT-5 that you ought to be aware of, I love the share function. Go down there, click share. Now you can send a link to yourself or to somebody else on a project you're working on. I really like the library. It'll host a library of the images it's created for you. Super powerful. All these things are in the GPT-5. I hope they help you as you're navigating how to leverage AI as a real estate professional. AI is not going to replace you. It is going to advance you. It is going to help you go further, faster. You're going to need less marketing and administrative support than you ever have if you're harnessing AI properly. Hope it helps.